Hello students, today we will study a poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. In this section, you will get detailed summary in English and Hindi, word notes, Hindi summary, solved question answer. Okay? So before starting this poem, click on the subscribe button to get more upcoming videos and content related to this poem. Now let's start. The Road Not Taken. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Summary. Once the poet was walking through a forest where the leaves have turned yellow in autumn. He then come near a diversion and he had to choose one road out of them. The poet says that as he was one person, he could not travel on both the roads. The poet kept on standing there and looked at the path very carefully as far as he could see it. Before taking the path, he wanted to know how it was. Was it suitable for him or not? He was able to see the path till from where it curved, after which it was covered with the trees and was hidden in the bushes. Okay? Then took the other, just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that, the passing there had owned them really about the same. The poet kept on looking at one path for a long time to check if it is right path for him, and then he felt that both the paths were equally good and started walking on one of them. He chooses that path because it has grasses on it, which means that it was unused. Not many people had walked on this path earlier, that is why this path was grassy. After he walked on the path for some distance, he realized that both the paths had been worn out the same way, and both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way lead on to way, if I doubt I should ever come back. The poet says that both the paths were similar that morning. Both had leaves on them, and no one had stepped on them as they were still green in color. He decided that day that he would take one path and keep the other path for another day, although he knew that one way leads to another way. The poet has doubt that he could never return back on the first path that he had left. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Here is a summary of this poem, of this section. He says that in the future, he will take a deep breath and say that once upon a time he had reached such a point in a life that there were two options for him, and he traveled on that road which had been traveled upon by lesser number of people. The decision that he had taken in the past had made all the difference in the future. Now, coming to words to know, there are few words that you really need to know their meanings. Diverged, separated and took a different direction. Here, two roads separated in different directions in a forest. It means in the diverged in this poem means that about the two roads that has been separated in different direction in the forest. Yellow woods, a forest with leaves which are wearing out and they have turned yellow in color. The season of autumn. Here, yellow woods means uh, it represents the season of autumn, as poet has described in this poem. Undergrowth, dense bushes. Wanted wear, had not been used. In the poetry, it means that it was not walked by many people. Trodden, walked over. Sigh, a deep breath. The poet will a deep breath say about his past experiences. Hence, here in the future. Now, here you get the Hindi explanation of this poem, and you can also get all the question answers. So, for solved question answer of this poem, click on the subscribe button and get link in the description box. From there, you will get answer related to this poem. Okay. Now here it is Hindi explanation of this poem. You can go through it line by line, and you can understand it in Hindi language. You can also get this Hindi explanation in the description box. So subscribe this channel and get a link in description box, and from there you will get all answers related to this poem. Okay. So thanks for viewing. Please subscribe it so that you get more update on various poems and topics that I've updated. Thank you all.